I just picked up this giant RS950 from my neighbor over there for no wait, I paid $60 for it. But anyway, it's probably an 87 or an 88. Nice bike. But these old pedals probably have been on there all that time. And I've looked on, I mean, I've done pedals before, but it's been a long time. I don't do it every day. Look online, some guy's got some hack, you know, where he's putting his foot on the wrench, and some other things that just would be a joke. I mean, this is what it took to get that off of there. Was a, what is that, a 24-inch pipe wrench and a pretty sturdy 15mm combo wrench. And I thought I was going to maybe break the pedal. But anyway, you can see how I got this set up here. The other pedal I fit underneath the cross member there so that it couldn't turn. And then it's the bike, you know, it just worked out. It just worked out, and I got it off. But now I got to do the other side, and I have to figure a way. You know, that's going to be another challenge. Okay. But I'm telling you, some of these things are, when they're that frozen on there, I thought I was going to have to drill it out. Well, here's how I did the other one. I did use my foot, put the pipe wrench here, and I used my foot. It's moved already a little bit, but I had enough room to kind of kick it around with my foot. You want to be gentle, you know, make sure you're not wrecking anything while you're doing this. Anyway, so I got them off. I recently removed a pedal using this wrench, 15mm wrench, and for increased leverage I used a 24-inch pipe wrench. Now, just to be clear, my first choice would have been a section of pipe, say 1 inch, whatever inside diameter was large enough to use what you call a cheater pipe. And I probably ideally would have selected a roughly couple feet long, and you know, but I didn't have any pipe, so I resorted to the pipe wrench, which worked. Most of you probably won't have a pipe wrench that big, and if you can get a hold of a cheater pipe or steel pipe, and you know, just about a little bit bigger on the inside than that wrench is, that would be the most convenient way. Bearing in mind, whenever you're exceeding the limits like that, I mean, there's a possibility you could break your wrench or part of your bike or something, so you have to bear that in mind when you're using something like a cheater pipe or a pipe wrench. Anyway, the bottom line is you just have to look around and be creative, see what you got around the property, around the house. This one I hooked the handlebars over the railing, put the pedal underneath that railing down there, and then used the 15mm combo wrench and the pipe wrench, put my foot like this and kicked it around, and geez, it's so satisfying. I was going to take it, I took it to a local bike shop here, Bike Smiths, and they're not open very much anymore. But anyway, they were closed, so I had to do it myself.